Over time, grout and tile can crack, discolor, or loosen, but with a few basic tools, you can make them look brand new again. Whether you're fixing a cracked tile or refreshing old grout, these simple steps will help you restore your floors, walls, or backsplash like a pro. Let's start with grout repair. If your grout is cracked or crumbling, begin by cleaning the area with a mild cleaner and a grout brush. Once it's dry, use a grout saw or oscillating tool to remove the damaged grout. Be careful not to chip the tiles. Next, mix new grout according to the package directions. It should have a peanut butter-like consistency. Using a rubber grout float, spread it diagonally across the tile joints, pressing it deep into the gaps. Wipe away excess with a damp sponge, being careful not to pull grout out of the joints. After about 30 minutes, lightly buff the tiles with a dry cloth to remove haze. Let the grout cure for 24 hours before exposing it to moisture. If your grout is just dirty or stained, skip replacing it and use a grout cleaner or whitening pen to restore the color. For long-lasting protection, apply a grout sealer once it's clean. This prevents moisture and mold from seeping in and keeps the grout looking fresh for years. Now let's fix cracked or loose tiles. Start by removing the damaged tile using a chisel and hammer. Gently tap around the edges until the tile lifts free. Scrape away any old adhesive from the surface to create a clean base. Spread a layer of thin-set mortar on the floor or wall with a notched trowel, then press the new tile firmly into place. Use tile spacers to keep the gaps even. Once it's set, after about 24 hours, regrout the joints just like before. For small cracks in tiles, you can apply a clear epoxy or nail polish to seal the surface and prevent further damage. While it won't make the crack invisible, it will stop moisture from getting underneath and causing bigger issues. If your tiles sound hollow or move slightly when you step on them, the adhesive beneath may have loosened. Drill a small hole into the grout line and inject tile adhesive or thin set under the tile using a syringe. Press it down gently and let it dry completely before regrouting. A few pro tips. Always use grout and adhesive that match your existing materials, sanded grout for wide joints and unsanded for narrow ones. When cleaning grout, avoid harsh acids or bleach as they can weaken it over time. Once your repairs are complete, keep tiles looking great by cleaning regularly with a pH-neutral cleaner and resealing grout every 1 to 2 years. Grout and tile fixes don't require a professional, just a steady hand, a few basic tools, and a little patience. With these simple techniques, you can restore your tiled surfaces to their original beauty and protect them for years to come.